Have you ever stood on a piece of land, feeling the breeze, completely unaware that your future was whispering to you right then and there? Imagine being an 8-year-old, twirling in dance on a property that destiny has earmarked for you. Fast forward, and that very land becomes the cornerstone of your biggest dream. Today, we're diving into a story that's not just about achieving dreams. It's a tale of homecoming, of turning visions into reality, and most importantly, of making a monumental impact on a community's healthcare landscape. Stick around, because this journey is not only heartwarming, but also sprinkled with some mind-blowing bonus facts that will leave you inspired. Let's zoom into the heart of Jamaica, where Dr. Karyna Davis-Irons, a beacon of hope and dedication, is bringing to life the Chrispal Medical Centre in Manchester, Jamaica. This isn't just any medical center. It's the first of its kind in her beloved community, set to open its doors come October. Picture this, a project with a heart, a $100 million investment not just in bricks and mortar, but in the health and well-being of countless souls. But why, you might ask, is this so groundbreaking? Imagine having to travel hours to see a specialist. That's been the reality for the residents of Chudley, Christiana, Spalding, and the surrounding districts in Manchester, Jamaica. Dr. Davis-Irons, with her roots deeply entangled in these communities, envisioned a change. From her early days aspiring to be a pediatrician to falling in love with anesthesia and critical care, her journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. From Jamaica to St. Lucia, Turks and Caicos, and Grand Cayman, her career has been a testament to her passion and commitment to healthcare. But the call home was strong. With an impressive background, including a graduate diploma in law and a master's in medical law and ethics, Dr. Davis-Irons is not just about providing healthcare, she's about ensuring it's done with the utmost integrity and care. And when the opportunity arose to transform a piece of her childhood into a beacon of health and hope, she didn't think twice. Fast forward through hurdles like zoning, permits, and a global pandemic, the dream is becoming a reality. The Chrispal Medical Centre is on its way to offering 8 consultation suites, a pharmacy, a radiology room, and even a small operating theater, among other services. This center is not just a medical facility, it's a comfort zone, a place of healing, designed with the community at heart. And here's where you come in. If this story moves you, if you believe in the power of dreams and the impact of giving back, hit that subscribe button. Join us on this journey of inspiration, community, and change. Your support means the world, not just to us, but to the countless lives that will be impacted positively by initiatives like the Chrispal Medical Centre. Now, as promised, let's sprinkle a little extra magic with 3 bonus facts that we haven't covered yet. First, the tagline for the Chrispal Medical Centre, "From the people for the people," embodies the essence of medicine and service. Second, Dr. Davis-Irons' commitment to her community was evident from a young age, with a doctor at work do not disturb sign on her bedroom door at just 3 years old. Lastly, the project is a family affair, with Dr. Davis-Irons' husband winding up his business to focus on bringing this dream to life, a true testament to partnership and shared vision. Further, the collaboration between Dr. Davis-Irons and her husband in bringing the Chrispal Medical Centre to fruition exemplifies the power of shared dreams and collective efforts. It's a poignant reminder that achieving great endeavors often requires not just individual excellence, but the support, sacrifice, and shared vision of those around us. Their partnership goes beyond marital support. It's a fusion of personal and professional dreams, culminating in a legacy that will touch lives for generations to come. As we wrap up this tale of dreams, dedication, and community service, remember, it's not just about building a medical center. It's about building hope, about nurturing dreams, and about the power of coming home to make a difference. Thank you for being part of this journey. Stay inspired, keep dreaming, and remember, the power to change the world starts with us. Now go out there, make a difference, and until next time, keep spreading that love and light.